Between the luxed-out SVAutobiography models, the hardcore SVX off-roaders, the special projects, and the continuation classics, the folks over at Jaguar Land Rover Special Vehicle Operations have been keeping plenty busy. We just can't help but wonder when the next performance-oriented SVR model will come out, and what it'll be based on. To date, JLR SVO has only applied the Go Fast SVR treatment to the F-Type and the Range Rover Sport. We know there'll be more to come, but we're glad to see, and bring to you, rendering artists like Nikita Aksyonov filling in the blanks. These latest three projects by the Russian designer propose SVR versions of three Jaguar models, the XF, the XJ, and the E-Pace. And they all look pretty enticing. As to which is more likely to actually roll out of a Jaguar factory, we are expecting the F-Pace SVR to come first. But after that, the XF seems the most probable. After all, the previous XF yielded the supremely capable XFRS, and we've yet to see a high-output version of the new model to take on the likes of the BMW M5 and Mercedes-AMG E63. If and when we do, we wouldn't be surprised to see it looking a lot like this.